Welcome to our DataBricks tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how can you sum up multiple columns dynamically by using PySpark in DataBricks. For this demo, we are using DataBricks Community Edition, which is free services from the DataBricks. So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. So here you can see, first of all, we are importing some PySpark libraries. You can see we are importing SQL, importing Spark session to create our Spark session. Then we are calling SQL.function, importing call, sum, round and rank. And then we are calling our reduce module from functools package. In the next row, we are creating our Spark session. For this, we have created a local variable and then we are calling our Spark session module, then calling builder, then we are setting up app name as summing multiple columns, then get or create the Spark session. Now we have already some CSV file in our DataBricks file storage. You can see here. In tables, you can see that is online yearly sales CSV. So we are going to import this data in our data frame. Then in the next row, you can see we are filling up our data frame. For this, we are calling spark.read.csv. Then we are passing the actual file path. Then header equal to true, info schema equal to true. Now we are going to execute this code. Here, now we are going to check the schema in data frame df.print schema. Here you can see we have country, invoice number, stock code, quantity, invoice date, unit price, year, sales amount, discount and customer ID and their data types. Now we want to check how many records we have, that df.count. We have 30,000 records. Now we are going to display our data. Here you can see the top 20 rows from this data set and you can see columns as well. Country, invoice number, stock code, quantity, invoice date, unit price, year, sales amount, discount, customer ID. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to create a pivot data frame. For this, we are filtering our year. Year should be greater than 2016 and group by country. Then we are converting year, that is rows, into columns. Then we are going to aggregate sales amount and we are going to round this sales amount till 2 decimal places. Now here you can see we have the data in column wise for every year, right? Like 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, so on till 24. Now we want to sum up all these columns from 2017 to 24 and we are going to add the sum up in a new column, that is total sales. To do this, first of all, we are going to read all the columns from our data set. Then we are going to print all the columns. Then we are removing country because in this data set you can see country has a data type string, but we want to sum up only numeric values for years only. That's why if you see in this code, you can see we are getting all the columns name. Now in the next row, we are removing country from the list. Now we have column 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 till 2024. Here we are creating a expression by using reduce method. Using reduce for summing multiple columns. If you have many columns, in this example you can see this number could be increased. Like if I am going to show all the data from 2010, then the columns could be increased. That's why we need a dynamic sum up for all columns which are related to our yearly data. That's why you can see we are using reduce and we are calling lambda. We are calling a for loop, and in for loop we are getting the value for each column. In the next row you can see we are creating a new column in our existing data frame, that is df underscore country yearly sales. Then we are calling dot with column and we are creating a new column, that is total sum, and then we are passing our expression. Then we are using order by country. Like this we are showing our data in the next row. Now you can see the output. We are able to sum up every year column in our total sales column. So guys, you can see it is very easy to sum up multiple columns in PySpark by using reduce feature. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.